if I told you two could make this hairstyle as a beginner, you can achieve this hairstyle all by yourself. This is a stitch braid on a short natural hair, and this is a step-by-step tutorial to show you how to achieve this look without stressing so much. So this is the stitches being created. As you can see, you divide the hair into sections depending on how wide or how tiny you want the stitches to be. Normally we also call it gap tooth. Depending on how you want the teeth to be, then you divide in such pattern. Start braiding normal, just like you braid your cornrow, but this one we are feeding it in. It's a feeding braid also, so you'll be feeding the hair in while picking the stitches that you've created from the back of your hand. So if you look at it gently and follow the step, you will know how to make this wonderful stitch braid. Tight, not too tight for the discomfort of the scalp, but tight enough to give you that seamless look and a beautiful finish. So I made this tutorial very short and precise. So family members, if you're here now watching till this moment, I think it's the right time to hit on the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and also share to someone that this video might be of interest to. And we will not only be creating a big community here, but also we will be helping others that needs the help. So back to the hair, continue feeding in. The feeding, if you watch the hands, the index and the thumb holds the hair in place, while the other one brings the attachment to feed it in. You just open the index and the thumb, put it in and continue. This is another pattern of feeding in braids, just holding it in between the thumb and the index finger and continue as if you're making the normal cornrow. So guys, I will be leaving you here to enjoy your video.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lights. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade away? Can we?
So bringing up this part again is just for clarity that you have to cut in the stitches to the size you want it to be, then squeeze the ends in order for it to stay in the way you've kept it. That's a way of keeping it in position before you can start braiding. Okay, so I'll be attaching the edge control. I'll be attaching the link to the edge control I used that doesn't flake. This edge control doesn't flake. I use it in a very cold environment, but it doesn't flake, so it's a very good one. It's not an affiliate. This is not an affiliate marketing, but for those that have been asking, I just said let me drop it. But if you get through there, I might have something on my affiliate, but it is not an advert. This is not an advert that I'm making. So the link will be in my description box, and the link of other items that was used, so you can go there and check it out for yourself. All right.
No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You set the rain on me, and I just wanna understand everything that led us here. The teardrops when I hold your hand. No way I'd let you.
This is a finished look. You can compare it with when I've added mousse and prep it to see the difference. Mousse on the hair is, it helps to tame every flyaway hairs. Anything that is not in place, it helps to tame it. And this is one of the best way to, maintain braids. To be applying mousse and oil sheen. Any oil-based spray can apply to keep the hair moisturized, and the mousse to keep the hair in place so it doesn't get spoiled easily. And if you have a satin bonnet or a durag, it's the best option for you in order to maintain your braids. Okay, so that's a pro tip for you. So this is the oil sheen, the oil spray generously on it, and voila, this is the finished look. Isn't she pretty? Yeah, that's a happy client because she got what she asked of. So thanks for watching up to this time. You can check other of my videos concerning stitch braid and other type of hair in the description, or you could click on the boxes that appears on the screen to watch other videos. Good content. Bye.